In the previous videos, we studied the top number of the time signature. We learned that the top number indicates how many beats are contained in each measure. So far, we have learned that a quarter note equals 1 beat, a half note equals 2 beats, and a whole note equals 4 beats. However, these values are not always fixed. The value of each note depends on the number placed at the bottom of the time signature. This number determines which type of note represents 1 beat. We intentionally waited before introducing this concept because it can sometimes be confusing for beginner students. Let us now see how the bottom number of the time signature determines which type of note equals 1 beat. When the bottom number is 1, the whole note equals 1 beat. When the bottom number is 2, the half note equals 1 beat. When the bottom number is 4, the quarter note equals 1 beat. And when the bottom number is 8, the eighth note equals 1 beat. Throughout Book 1 and through the first half of Book 2, we chose to use 4 as the bottom number of the time signature. This meant that the quarter note always represented 1 beat, making it easier to learn and understand rhythm. Another way to understand the bottom number is to see it as a fraction of a whole note, which represents one complete note. The number 1 represents the entire whole note. The number 2 represents 1/2 of a whole note, which is a half note. The number 4 represents 1/4 of a whole note, which is a quarter note. And the number 8 represents 1/8 of a whole note, which is an eighth note. Let us now look at a few different time signature combinations. For example, in the 4/4 time signature, the top number is 4. This means that there are 4 beats in each measure. The bottom number is also 4. This means that the quarter note is the type of note that equals 1 beat. Therefore, a measure in 4/4 time contains 4 quarter note beats. In the 3/2 time signature, the top number is 3. This means that there are 3 beats in each measure. The bottom number is 2. This means that the half note is the type of note that equals 1 beat. Therefore, a measure in 3/2 time contains 3 half note beats.